Hey everybody, how you doing? Let's cook some fun stuff today. Pretty much healthy stuff. We're going to unveil a potato dish that I created that I really like. Very simple, you know how I like my baggies. Just a baked potato, washed, sliced about 3/8 of an inch. These are two of them. Put a little bit of garlic butter in there, and then some of our safflower oil. Then some little Louis. We're gonna put little Louis on it again, but I want to just get some in there. Shake it up, little Louis, garlic pepper with seasoning salt. It's great on fish, chicken, veggies, beef. It's pretty much a Swiss Army knife rub. Lots of restaurants use it. There's some famous seasoning salts out there, and I decided to kind of tweak them. So I added the garlic and the black pepper and took a couple things out too. So get you some little Louis because we love it. So potatoes are ready here. A couple things we're gonna do. We're gonna cook these on the griddle on parchment paper. They're gonna have a little Parmesan at the end, a little crema, and some chives. But wait till you see how these things come out. Okay, some Pacific halibut, because we're in the Pacific. Beautiful. Here we go. A little Meyer lemon olive oil. Now the potatoes are gonna cook at 400 degrees, 5 minutes. I flip them over. The fish is gonna be probably 7 minutes aside, so I'll start the fish first. We'll put a little desert gold on it, both sides. Take some thinly sliced lemons. Put them on top there. Some little Louis. So you see how easy this prep was? It was a piece of cake. Now we're gonna go to the griddle. Let's start the halibut first. Safflower oil. Once again, we have this at 325 degrees. We're gonna cook it for 7 minutes. There's your parchment. It makes it non-stick, it crisps up. It's just beautiful. It's a little trick you guys should try on your fish, your potatoes, a lot of things. Garlic butter. Just do it this way. Put a little bowl over it. A little Parmesan down. Okay, so we got those down there. We got a little Parmesan. Always gotta oil the paper, but let's hit it with some little Louis. We want the halibut to come off at about 135. So again, I said the potatoes are at 400, the halibut's at 325. With some weights, and again, this is 5 or 6 minutes. I love these weights on the griddle. Make sure I get a nice even caramelization. We really want these potatoes around 200. Yeah, they're ready to flip there. Oh, look at these little Parmesan bad boys. Gonna chip the halibut. Okay, beautiful. That looks beautiful. About a minute. About a minute, we're gonna see some beauty. Poppa's Parmesan crusted potatoes. Okay, and there's going to be a couple more treats coming up. Little surprises for Poppa's Parmesan potatoes. Potatoes, taters, what is it? Here we go. Now we got that going for us. A little Mexican crema, some chives. Almost ready here. Okie dokie.